Here's your balloon, Marcus. Marcus, plug your ears for a second. We're going to do something called the vasectomy. Alright, Marcus, you probably heard. Did you hear what I said? Alright. Alright, so what we're going to do, actually, we'll put the balloon in between your legs. I'm going to pop it with a whip.
Wow.
Now, Marcus, is this balloon big enough? No? Alright, I'll make it bigger. The balloon is no longer to scale. Alright, I'll be more generous. Alright, Marcus. Alright, Marcus, now.
Oh my God.
Also, if you put on the light on the top here, here's your balloon. You're going to make this towel on the ground right over here. Notice Marcus is not at all questioning, why do we need a towel? Alright, Marcus, we're just going to lay on the ground, feet towards me. There you go. Look at how pretty. There we go. Knees up just a hair. Perfect. Perfect. All right.
You're a brave man. Bring this man around.
All right, play. No, you don't want to watch. You don't want to watch. That's right. Plug your ears. It's going to be loud. And also, here you go. That's right. I always try to look out for the guys that are dumb enough to let me do this. All right, here we go, Marcus.
Oh my God. I haven't seen this yet.
Actually, Marcus, if you could spread your feet back just a little bit, like point your knees up, so your feet are out. No, out. So your feet are out. So I gotta get between your feet to get that the balloon. All right. There we go.